Okay, Maverick Trail 2018 1000, 800 be the same, 2019 be the same, just checking brake pads. Just did the driver's side and the inside was pretty warm, but it was still in specs. So anyway, take them off, take your wheel off. If you don't know how to do that, take it to a professional anyway. There's two pins here that have to come out first. Loosen those up. I took mine right out, but loosen them up for sure before you move the caliper, because they're in there pretty good. And then there's two bolts in the back. So there's a bolt here, and then there's a bolt down here, if you can see that. That takes it off the knuckle. So I'm going to loosen those up, and then I'll show you what we see. Okay, you got stuff loosened off, so you're going to want to make sure to have a bungee there to tie up your caliper. So loosen these. They're just basically pins that go through. It's just threaded on the end. It feels like you're going to break them, but just come on to them, they'll come off. And loosen these in the back. Sorry, I'm using my phone and with one hand and recording with the other. This wasn't a planned recording. So, take this bolt out. It's got some yellow Loctite on it. And then we'll other bolt out. The caliper should just slide off. So, I'll put a hanger through there and hang it up, as you don't want to pay attention on that brake line there. Just use my knee. So then these pins, they don't thread all the way out. Kind of gotta mess with them. I'm gonna get these pins out and then come back. So I need two hands. Okay, so there's the two pins. Just need two hands to kind of pull. And those are what are holding the brake pads in there. So you just kind of twist and pull. So that's all those are. I get race-driven pads, and they come with new ones. Sorry about the shitty video, but okay, there's the other one. And okay, and then the top one will just slide out. Not too bad. And the inside one just pops out. But the same as the other. Not too bad. So, supplement to that first part on the front. Back brakes are pretty much the same, only you're going to have to use a 15mm wrench instead of a 15mm socket because there's not a lot of room, but holy crap. It was the same on the other side, but this bottom, might want to soak that a bit, or I don't know. I've already broke the tips off of two of my 30mm Thorax. Trying to get that sucker off. They're just twisting and bending. So anyway, I am hesitant to put a lot of heat to that just because there's brake fluid in there, but I'm just going to put penetrating fluid on it and let it sit. But yep, pretty much the same as the front. Exact same procedure, just as you can see back here, you haven't got any room for a socket in for this one or for this one here to take it off. So anyway, hope that helps somebody do their brakes at some point. 15mm socket, 30 Thorax. I had a pick to clean and tried heating this up a little bit, but holy shit, that bottom one's in there. Just kind of seized in, probably just because the back ends in water longer, more, I don't know. Anyway, cool, have fun.